Hello everyone, this video is about rare and elusive stamps of the world. Italy 1980-50 El Rocca di Calesio, two varieties together, pair with perforation shifted and top missing its Italia inscription. Korea 1951 301 on 14-1 light blue with original gum and never hinged condition, center to left but clear to white margins. Liechtenstein 1963 5 franc dull green imperforate mint horizontal pair with large margins and very fine condition. Michel number 427U. Libya 1951 Cyrenaica 500M dark green and orange inverted overprint. Mint example with selvage at the top, only 50 were printed. Ionian Islands 1941 10T brown red hand stamp overprint. Small O of occupation, mint never hinged and exceedingly rare. Iran 1950 10R carmine and blue green with inverted center. Lightly hinged choice centering strong intense color Scott 927A. Virgin Islands 1866 1 penny green rare perforation 15 and 12 on the toned paper, unused example unusually well centered. Somalia 1934 25 L plus 2L Servicio di Stato semi-postal air post official with vibrant color and fresh paper. Russia 1922 1200M on 50K consular air post type 1 position 21 in the setting of 25. Only 25 were issued. Italy 1926 1.25 L St. Francis perforation 13 and a half. Mint example slightly center to bottom right. St. Helena 1976 1 pound painting gold omitted. Mint never hinged, well centered, fresh, extremely fine and rare. Next is from Libya 1921 5 cent error of color vignette printed in black and red brown rather than normal green. It is well centered and very fine. Sezoni number 23A Somalia 1934 25 L dark blue perforation 14 mint example intense color and impression full even perforations. Rhodesia 1966 3 pence light blue and chocolate mint horizontal pair with chocolate color omitted, 2 of the 12 known examples. Now Rhodesia 1910 1 pound carmine and reddish mauve error of color with vibrant colors and crisp detailed impression, only 50 stamps survived. Orange River Colony 1888 2 pence on 3 pence ultramarine 2 with curved base in a horizontal pair with normal. It has bright color. Kenya and Uganda 1925 4 pound rose lilac and black selvage at the left lightly hinged choice centering gorgeous bright colors. Japan 1955 5Y Mandarin Ducks second National Treasure Series red brown color omitted with no inscription in a block of 4. Jordan 1964 10F Crown Prince Al Hussein gold omitted affecting the English and Arabic inscription and plate number. Next is Jamaica 1964 1 shilling yellow brown and black yellow brown omitted in vertical strip of 10 bottom pair being the errors used with circular date stamp. Gibraltar 1966 7P Angeling Championships Queen Elizabeth II issue with value omitted mint example only 36 exist. Now Christmas Island 1968 4 cent Queen Triggerfish dark blue 4 cent omitted mint never hinged C-tenant horizontal pair left stem the error. Falkland Island 1971 5p error surcharge on 1.5p surcharge is at right rare error only 60 exist. Now next is from Great Britain 1841 2 pence deep blue ivory head plate 3 lettered RC showing the distinct ivory head image on the reverse. Great Britain 1969 1 shilling 6 pence Concord silver omitted left selvage single mint example it is well centered and margined. Greenland 1996 4.25K on 25 ore green inverted surcharge position 18 mint example about 11 sheets were sold. Great Britain 1967 9 pence painting Black Queen's head and value omitted. Mint example uncommon error with only 60 thought to exist. Australia 1915 3 pence olive bistre die 1 with JBC monogram in the bottom selvage and break in the top frame over ST. Australia 1932 5 shilling Sydney Harbour Bridge well centered within white margins, uncommonly choice mint copy of this popular stamp. SG value £1,600. Canada 1974 8 cent Winter Sports C tenant block printed on gummed side with 3 different design. Only one sheet was printed. Western Ukraine 1918 10 sought on 6H deep orange position 22 and light circular date stamp. Only 404 were printed. Sarawak 1892 1 cent on 3 cent brown on yellow vertical pair imperforate horizontally and with sheet margin at the bottom. Japan 1939 1S Showa series 30S peacock blue never hinged imperforate horizontal pair with excellent margins and freshness. Kume Island 1945 7S black on cream provisional printed on US military mimeograph paper and validated by the official seal. Korea 1900 surcharge on red tie hen overprint 1p on 5p green unused without gum and nice centering. USA 1894 $2 bright blue unwatermarked mighty medicine with deep lines and strong color near perfectly centered and with original gum. Next is from Great Britain 1862 9 pence straw color plate 2 letter HJ. It has original gum and is hinged with rich color. Great Britain 1850 1 penny red brown Prince Consort essay unused and prepared for Henry Archer in his offer to produce surface printed stamps. USA 1914 2 cent rose red SL watermark perforation 12 and 10 brightly colored cleanly prepared and lightly cancelled. Great Britain 1867 1 shilling green with wing margin at the left plate 4 letter TI white margins and well scented rich color on bright paper. USA 1908 2 cent carmine type 2 experimental coil perforation 12 vertically guidelines at the right and bottom and clean impression. Great Britain 1864 1 penny rose red plate 225 letter EJ original gum strong color and impression and scarcest of the regularly issued plate. Great Britain 1969 1 shilling 6 pence Concord Queen Elizabeth II issue silver omitted. Mint example with nice centering and generous margins. USA 1901 4 cent Pan American center inverted with specimen overprint. Regummed post office fresh deep rich color and impression. Prince Edward Island 1861 3D blue perforation 9. It is well centered and margined with full perforations all around. Great Britain 1911 half penny yellow green perforation 14 with neat September 28 1911 circular date stamp. Fresh and elusive perforation variety. USA 1894 first bureau issue $1 black type 2 unwatermarked. It has original gum and proof like color and impression. Great Britain 1903 3 pence violet on yellow Admiralty official scarce to find in sound and original gum condition. Next is from Turks Island 1873 1 shilling violet Queen Victoria issue with part original gum. It has fresh color and this is a fine example of very scarce unused stamp. USA 1876 cent carmine NBNC printing H grill part original gum lovely stamp with strong color and clean detail. New Zealand 1959 3p plus 1p red cross red color omitted horizontal bear with bottom left corner Harrison and Son imprint and plate number 2 salvage. Ceylon 1912 100R grey black excellent centering rich color white margins nice centering and very fine condition. Next is from USA 1861 5 cent puff top margin single with original gum and is slightly centered to top left and has 3 clear to white margins. Malaysia, Kedah, 1965, 10 cent, red color omitted. Mint example, brilliantly fresh clean paper and perfect centering. SG number 119A, Great Britain, 1910 2P, unissued, Tyron plum, trial color proof in yellow ochre. Perforation 14 on gummed paper, only 2 to 3 exist. Libya, Getamis, 1949, airmail, 100 franc, in the color of issued 50 franc. It has original gum and has well incised impression on fresh paper. Great Britain, 1972, 3 pence, Christmas, red brown omitted. It is well scented and fresh. Only 24 mint examples are recorded. Great Britain, 1992, 50 pence, ochre, impurforate horizontal pair with sheet margin at the right. It is exceedingly fresh and only 10 pairs are recorded. Italy, 1980, 600L, Scala Giro Castle, lithograph background colors omitted, black castle variety, horizontal perforation shifted upwards. Now, Great Britain, 1984, 22 pence, yellow green, imperforate top pair in a block of 6 and other pairs are partially perforated. Antigua, 1938, 1 shilling, brown and black, double frame, 1 albino, second impression clear and to the top left of the normal. Few are recorded. Newfoundland, 1932 to 37, 14 cent, intense black, imperforate, mint block of 4 with full sheet margins. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.